Heavy rain drives so fast. I'm sorry for those going to school, going to work by bike, by bus, public transportation. Hillary's safe at home. Daddy can go in the office whatever time he wants. She has had her breakfast. I have made my coffee. Poor birds. But God has to water his gardens. Oh, red and black umbrella. Red and black car. Mother of the year. Holding the umbrella for her child in the stroller getting wet. Red top, black hair. Pee-wee. Oh, this side, black car. But red and black. Pee-wee. That one had to spoil it. Whatever color that one is. Mustard. Mustard had to spoil it. Okay. Coffee's getting cold. Haven't even had a sip yet. Oh, she's here. Baby. You came. When did you come? When did you come? She was hiding in the third room. I called and called and called. I started making my coffee. I was standing on the balcony. Only then, slowly, she walked towards me. Red and black. Okay, have my coffee. Then, I want to do the listening paper again. It's the same one again. Okay, let's stop. She's busy.